Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to show you a beautiful hand embroidery flower motif with the different combination of stitches. Here I am using the basic stitches only, but here so many colors and stitches are coming together. It's not as one type of flower. Here I am using the two types of flower, which is this motif mainly we will see in some of the hairbands or cushion covers, tabletop, some motifs with a bunch of flowers, buds, and all that here I am doing. So, before going to detail, first I am using a dark green color thread. It's the anchor embroidery thread, and its number is about 0269. It's a dark green in color. And while doing the embroidery, first we are going to do about the filling of the small leaves. For that, here I am using the fly stitch. Here now you are seeing the fly stitch, and some of the leaves I am doing with the fly stitch, and some of the leaf based on the size I am doing with the satin stitch. So this thread I'm using the 6 strands of thread and will pack it very nicely. Next we'll go to the flowers. For that I am using the orange and purple mixed color for the flowers. For the orange color thread number code is 0315. The purple 1325 is the number purple color. Then for the first flower I am using the detached blanket stitch. For that I am doing the back stitch at the center of the circle. First we should a big circle, and the next one the center a small circle. Inside the circle we'll do the back stitch and we'll make the 5 stitches. The parallel to that outside the circle also will do the 5 straight stitch. Then after finishing the 5 straight stitch, it should go inside the small circle. We should prick from the one end of a one straight stitch. We should prick from the back side of the fabric to go upside. Go under the outside circle one stitch, one straight stitch. Under that the parallel stitch, it should go downside of the straight stitch, and we should wrap the thread around the needle. We should pull it off. Like the blanket stitch, we should do the each straight stitch properly. We should fill it just like the blanket stitch we are doing inside the straight stitch. So after this after this stitch set, we should fill the both inside circle and outside circle straight stitch, and we should pick at the upper side of the outer side of the circle. We should pick it down the needle. You should go under the fabric and we should tie and secure it. So like that we should make the 5 stitches, 5 petals in this flower. the center of the flower, I am using the French knot with the thread purple color. So we will fill the center of the flower with the French knot. Next we'll go to the next flower. For that I am using the purple color embroidery thread. So here the second flower I am using the lacy daisy stitch. On the outside circle we should make a small knot or a small straight stitch that we should keep for doing the lacy daisy petals. So after finishing the small knot, from the smaller circle we should start, and we should pass through this straight small stitch, uh, and come back with the same point. That this step we should repeat, and we should fill the lacy daisy stitch for this flower. Next, some more part is the remaining. For that, I'm using the green color, light green color embroidery thread, and its number is about 0258. First, we used the dark color, and here I'm using the light green color for filling the leaves and the stems. So, if you are using the different shades of colors in the each in a one single motif, it will enhance its beauty and color. So that's why I am using the same light color of the green. So here I am using the stem stitch for you filling the stem, and after that for the small buds and leaves, for the buds I am using the bullion knot, and for the leaves I am using the satin stitch. If you are interested and if you are enjoying this video, please give me a like, share, and subscribe my channel. If you have any suggestion to for my improvement, give us a comment. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.